Hey there, friends. I was watching this amazing podcast the other day where Kevin O'Leary, Mr. Wonderful, an undeniably successful entrepreneur, was talking about things that you can do to improve your potential entrepreneurial success in the world. But he was expanding the conversation to everything that you do. And this got me thinking about health, wellness, optimization, and longevity. So what he was talking about is something called a signal to noise ratio. And what he means by that is when you get very, very good at focusing on what is the signal, what is the destination you're trying to reach, what is the goal, and you start blocking out all the noise, and that's all the little things that start to distract you. Like, I can't go to the gym this morning because I stayed out too late last night. Or I'm just not eating well, so I'm just going to have some more French fries or something like that. Not that there's anything wrong with French fries, but you keep getting distracted by noise, and it forces you to deviate from the signal, which is the destination you're trying to reach. So how do I equate this to health and wellness and longevity? And I'm going to use myself for an example. I have a very clear, not crystal clear, but a very clear target that I am aiming for with regard to health, longevity, and how I want to look and feel on the inside and the outside. So that means that my blood work is a reflection of the goal I'm trying to reach in taking care of myself. And I also work on my outside because it gives me pleasure as well as the visual appearance that I appreciate. So I don't deviate from my plan. Do I skip the gym every once in a while? Yes, of course I do. Do I have an extra glass of wine? Yes. But that's not the point. The point is I'm still laser focused and I get right back on track. So another example is always getting clients sending me information or, hey, what do you think about this cool new supplement? Or should I be taking this? Or should I be taking that? So here's the thing here's what I want to tell you to do with regard to signal noise. No, don't invest any money in supplements or peptides or anything along those lines if you're not willing to focus on the signal first, which is adequate, consistent sleep, day over day, week over week, month over month. Number 2, nutrient-dense foods that support your body and don't tear it down. And 3, consistent exercise and movement. That doesn't mean you need to do CrossFit or HIIT every single day, 7 days a week, but you need to incorporate a structured, consistent plan of strength training combined with some VO2 max development, structured exercise 3 to 4 days a week, and then movement on those other days with consistent rest. So I hope this is helpful to you. If there's anything I can do to help you on your health and wellness journey and start to really dial in signal noise, I'd love to. Please reach out to me at renearuso.life.